What is array? In programming language, a series of objects, all of which are the same size and same type. Basically, array is a data type and it is one of the best way to initialize array with same size and same type. For suppose we have fruits and we have different name of fruits but type included in fruits. For suppose apple, mango, orange, these are different but type is it included in fruit. Okay, now each object is an array is called element. For example, you could have an array of integers or an array of characters or an array of anything that has a defined data type. Okay, for suppose we can get array of integers, we can also get array of characters. Okay, for suppose we want to add multiple characters with the same size and same types and multiple integers with same size and same type. Okay, for suppose integer as a number and character as a alphabet. And coming here on this example, how to array is stored into the main memory. For suppose it is actual address of memory and this is address of our main memory which is in computer system RAM. Okay, it is the address of actual address of our RAM. Okay, these are element values that we have stored by ourselves and this is the array index. For suppose array always start from 0 1 2 3 4, whatever range we give to our array and whatever value we will give to an array, it is used into memory like this. Okay, it is not fixed that it is when we initialize or declare our array and give it size as 5, and it means that if we give size to the array as a 5, it included as a 6 because always array start from 0. Okay, and we give value to our array on 0 location is 15, on 1 location is 7 to 11, and it is array of integers. Okay, now coming in programming, how to add array and how to initialize array. For suppose I add a button here and add a paragraph with a demo id. Okay, here I created a variable of fruits. Okay, and fruits of array and I'm giving value to it banana, orange, apple, mango, and now I call fruits with a demo id. Okay, and I also created a function, my function, and in this definition here is a function name. It is a function declaration and it is function name, and this is function declaration, and we have already discussed on our function how to explain function, how to create function, and we can also pass argument from here, and this is function and it is the body of function, and here it is the definition of this my function. Okay, anyway I call a id here of a demo and inner html, and I also call built-in function fruit dot pop. Okay, in my function, and I have added this function into button. When I click my function it calls, okay, get fruits. Now come here on check the output result. When I click on get fruit, I get mango, I get apple, I get orange, and I get banana. Okay. I hope you understand how to use array and what is the role of array in the programming language. Alright. Good luck. Bye.